Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best robotic pool cleaner for algae. I made this list based on my personal experience and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Polaris P70 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Finding an above-ground pool cleaner that effectively cleans coves, as well as the floor, can be a challenge. We were impressed by the sheer suction power of the Polaris 7000 above-ground pool cleaner, which disturbs the surface of the water when in use. We love that you can easily program it to clean at specific intervals and times. It's capable of cleaning a 30-foot wide pool and has a 40-foot long cable for extra maneuvering around corners and obstacles on the pool deck. Plus, the only setup required was attaching the power hose to the cleaner. The rubber tracks also give this pool cleaner an edge in gripping the slope of a cove around your pool's circumference. We experienced heavy rain between the testing phases of this cleaner, and we were particularly impressed with the clear and thorough path that this cleaner cut through a significant amount of algae at the bottom of a pool. Although this cleaner is powerful, we wish there were a better way to know when it was finished with a cleaning cycle. The only status symbol is a small red light on the control panel, which turns off once the cycle has been completed. We also periodically stopped other household tasks to check on the cleaner's movement and the status light. Number 7 in my list is Xpert Scuba S1 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Xpert Scuba S1 Pro is a scaled-up version of the Xpert Scuba S1, our pick for the best overall robotic pool cleaner, which is why we recommend it for large pools. It would likely be our best overall recommendation, but the cleaning coverage, run time, and basket size are more than you really need for a smaller pool, and it costs quite a bit more than the Scuba S1. Designed for pools as large as 2,150 square feet, this cleaner impressed us from the start, with no assembly required and a short 1-hour initial battery charge time. It connected to our Wi-Fi network without any issues and paired to the Xpert phone app, which we use to monitor the charge level. It only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but it worked just fine on our Orbi mesh network that uses both 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. When we dropped the Scuba S1 Pro into our large Unite pool, it slowly sank to the bottom, oriented itself, and got to work. For the first time, we started out with a full cleaning cycle, which saw it scrub the pool walls before switching to the floor. On the floor, it picked up fine sand that we couldn't see from above, along with bamboo leaves and other debris. It got stuck for a while on a built-in corner seat in the deep end and again on the wedding cake-style stairs, but it eventually freed itself, got back to cleaning, and didn't get stuck in those same places during subsequent cleanings. When it was done, it stopped near a wall, and we were able to lift it out with the included hook that connected easily to a pool pole we already had. Number 6 in my list is Polaris VRX-IQ Plus Smart Robotic Pool Cleaner. For the ultimate pool cleaning convenience, the Polaris VRX-IQ Plus is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control and schedule it right from the Aqualink app. Using your smartphone, you can start or stop the cleaner, create customized schedules, and even see when the filter needs cleaning. This high-end robot cleans even the largest in-ground pools, thanks to its 70-foot tangle-reducing cable. It's important to note we tested this cleaner in an above-ground pool, so we could not test its wall, step, or water line cleaning abilities. All in all, though, we were impressed by this cleaner's capacity, which easily handled the pool's floor, which was covered in algae and leaves. It also learns your pool's size and dimensions during the first automatic cleaning cycle, so that it can further enhance and expedite cleaning during subsequent cycles. The 4-wheel drive helps this cleaner clean the walls, floor, water line, and even steps. Thanks to its rear water cleaning system, it easily blows debris off stairs and out of tight corners so the machine can suck it up. Although this model is more expensive, innovative features like a convenient storage caddy and the patented Easy Lift removal system, which drives the robot up the wall to be easily removed, make this cleaner worth the splurge. While this cleaner is quite heavy at 21 pounds, we thought it was still relatively easy to lift out of the pool thanks to the Easy Lift technology, which aids in most of the exertion of lifting from the bottom of the pool. Number 5 in my list is Dolphin 2024 model Explorer E50 Wi-Fi Robotic Pool Cleaner. During our initial testing period, we noted that the Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner seemed to be the Ferrari of pool cleaners, and its price tag certainly reflects that. After 6 months of daily use, we still love this corded pool cleaner. It's proven to be powerful, effective, and easy to use. In fact, this cleaner has had no problem removing any debris. Because of its corded status, it doesn't require charging, but that does limit its capabilities to a 50-foot-long pool. However, it's compatible with all pool liners, including Unite, fiberglass, and vinyl. To start this pool cleaner, you plug it in and connect the smartphone app, which is very user-friendly. From there, you can select from several cleaning modes, including floor-only, walls-only, or a combination. There's also a quick clean mode if you don't need the entire pool to be deep cleaned. Our favorite feature has to be the remote monitoring and cycle alerts, which pop up once the cleaner has finished a cycle. You can then instruct it to float to the surface of the pool for super easy retrieval. On top of being able to clean walls and water lines, this pool cleaner also cleaned a set of stairs. Although it did get stuck once on the stairs, no matter the size of the debris, it picked up everything in its path, and it has a large enough filter basket that it doesn't need to be emptied mid-cycle. Once you are ready to empty the filter basket, a button on the unit pops the basket up and open, so you can easily pick it up and dump it out. Number 4 in my list is Dolphin Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you have a large pool or just want a pool cleaner with all the bells and whistles, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Wi-Fi operated pool cleaner is a worthwhile investment. During several months of testing, we were impressed by its thorough cleaning abilities. Unlike less expensive models, this robot also cleans the pool's walls and water line, ensuring every inch is free from dirt and algae. Its two-filter system captures all manner of debris and keeps it out of the water. This high-end pool cleaner is suitable for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it needs about 1.5 to 3.5 hours to complete a cleaning cycle, depending on your selection. This pool cleaner is equipped with powerful scrubbing brushes, 3 to be exact, that provide a deeper clean, and smart navigation software scans the pool to create an efficient cleaning route. The tangle-free cable prevents the unit from getting stuck, and the unit features an automatic weekly timer and an LED indicator light that tells you when the filter is full. Although this model is effective at climbing walls and cleaning the water line, we did note that it cannot clean steps that are narrower than the cleaner. However, it did manage to clean a wider sun ledge. Number 3 in my list is Polaris Freedom Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Freedom is our favorite smart pool cleaning robot because it combines best-in-class cleaning performance with useful smart connectivity that doesn't get in the way. The AquaLink phone app provides a constant connection to the robot, with essential information like charging and cycle status, including push alerts when the Polaris is done and ready for retrieval from your pool. We've used it once every 2 weeks for 3 months in our in-ground pool, and are impressed with its performance each time. We liked that we were able to use this cleaner without the app after the initial setup. It's really easy to use. Just turn it on, set it in the pool, and it gets to work. The app allows you to choose from 2 specialized cleaning modes, waterline skimming and a smart cycle that increases efficiency. But we were very satisfied with the performance of the standard cycle. We didn't have any issues maintaining a Wi-Fi connection to the robot while it was in use, but that can be an issue if your network is weak in the vicinity of your pool due to the way water blocks Wi-Fi signals. Number 2 in my list is Wybot Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Wybot Osprey 200 performs well in both in-ground and above-ground pools, and is really easy to use, which is why it's our favorite budget pick. It cleans flat-bottomed pools very well and even handled the slight incline in our pool, 3 feet on one end to 5 on the other, without any issues, even though Xpert designed it with level floors in mind. We've used it every few weeks for 3 months, and it works consistently each time. This robotic pool cleaner costs about $400 less than the Xpert Scuba S1, our best overall pick, which is a huge discount. It can't clean walls and has a shorter battery life, but it's perfect for smaller pools and lighter-duty work where a more expensive unit isn't necessary. This robot also works in above-ground pools, which the Xpert Scuba S1 doesn't. We were impressed with how well this robot handled our 12x 30-foot kidney-shaped pool, completely cleaning the floor in less than an hour. That's about the limit of its battery life. It can only run about 50 to 60 minutes on a charge. So while the battery was more than adequate for our pool, it could be a source of annoyance if you have a significantly bigger pool. Number 1 in my list is Xpert Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Xpert Scuba S1 is our favorite robotic pool cleaner because it provides excellent performance without any complicated setup or operation procedures. It's highly effective at cleaning both walls and floors, and the filter basket is big enough that we never had to stop a cleaning cycle to empty it. We used this robotic cleaner to clean our 10x 40-foot pool twice a week for 3 months, and it provided the same excellent performance each time, covering every part of the floor and the walls and leaving no visible debris behind. The first time, when it had to deal with a lot of silt and dirt from construction, it took about 2 hours, but we observed subsequent cleanings to be much faster at about 90 minutes each. This pool cleaner doesn't have smart features like Wi-Fi or smartphone connectivity, but it works just fine without them. It uses Xpert's WavePath 2.0 smart navigation technology to efficiently clean pools up to 1,600 square feet by scrubbing in methodical parallel lines instead of the randomized pathing used by many other robotic pool cleaners. This technology is also used by the more expensive Xpert Scuba S1 Pro, our best for large pools pick, which also has Wi-Fi and smartphone connectivity if that's what you're looking for. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.